is 60 years. And the usual response is, what, NECA 60 years? But really that's the truth. NECA clocked 60 years this year. And over that period, we've impacted on generation of businesses in Nigeria. And we've been able to work with the government, work with labor to create an enabling environment for businesses to thrive. And we're indeed proud of that legacy of ours. And today, without really being boastful about it, we're really the foremost business membership organization in Nigeria. And we have elevated the art of protecting the rights of enterprise to a level which no any other business membership organization has been able to attain. Moving forward, we stand for what we have always stood for: promotion and creation of an enabling environment for private sector enterprise to thrive. Our doors are open to all sizes of businesses, and I can assure those companies that are not yet within membership of NECA that they are really missing a lot. And it will be our pleasure on this occasion of our 60th anniversary to have those companies to be part of this wonderful organization called NECA.